Hi all, welcome to linuxnext.com YouTube channel. Here today we are going to discuss about system related resource monitoring such as CPU, RAM, processes, whatever you say, network, number of files opened, all those things. In this category, first we'll discuss about top command. Top command is one of the frequently used when troubleshooting a particular system related issue or performance related issue. Let us start with top command. So top command is an aggregated tool or refreshing or dynamically displaying information tool, where you will get dynamic information, what is the present process running and their related information. In order to crack top command, I divided the explanation of top command into two subcategories. First 5 lines into first category, next remaining part into second category. So first we'll go with first category. In first category we can see total 5 lines, which will give you about loads on your CPU, number of processes running on your CPU, what is the percentage utilization of CPU for every category, then memory utilization, right? Then start with first line. Here if you see, this is the time of the present time of the your machine, and what is the uptime. It is actually up from 1 hour 51 minutes. There are total 4 users logged in. The load average on your CPU for every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes. So you can say you can easily distinguish when is your load high and what happened at the time, all those things, by saying these 3 values, right? Then coming to number of tasks or number of processes, there are total 154 processes are there in your machine present, which are in which 2 are running, 150 are sleeping, 0 is stopped, and 1 Zombiac process. Next, coming to CPUs, there are 8.3% of CPU is utilized by user related processes, 8.3 is utilized by system related processes, 0% is utilized by nice related process. Ideal process use 83 point system CPU resources. Wait process is using 1.2% of your CPU utilization. This is hardware IRQ and software IRQ system. Still they are not using much of your CPU resources. Suppose, see here it's showing only one CPU. If it is only one CPU in your machine, it is fine. If you have more than one CPU, sometimes there will be dual core 2 Duo, i3, i5, many blades process will be there at the time. How to see individual load on individual CPUs? Just press numerical 1 to see all those things. See, I have another CPU. Actually my CPU is dual core, so I have 2 CPUs. Now I'm seeing the second CPU utilization, right? If you don't want this one to be shown, just press again numerical 1, it will hide your second CPU. Next, coming to RAM utilization and swap utilization. Swap and RAM are both are twins, I can say. So there is total 3 GB RAM in my machine. In that 1.1 GB is used and 1.9 GB is free, and 65 MB is there in buffers, nothing but temporary location where you will be processing. And I have 6 GB of swap, in that 0 is used, and 6 GB again free, and 740 MB is used as cache. That's whole about first 5 lines. I don't want to see my RAM or SAP utilization. Press just M to hide those things. I don't want to see tasks and CPUs. Then press T to hide them. I don't want to see load average line. Just press L. So how clean the top command is now. So depending upon your requirement, you can hide those things. even if you want to like write those configuration, you can press W right away. It will save this configuration. If you want to quit without saving, just give quit Q to quit. We'll see in subsequent sessions. So I want to bring them all back. So what I have to press to bring load average, press L. I want to bring my CPU and process related statistics, just press T. I want to bring my memory utilization statistics, just press M. So you got all your details about the first 5 lines. Next, coming to next part, we'll see what are each parameter indicates. This PID is nothing but process identification. Every process will be having its ID, so that CPU will communicate with the PID. We actually communicate with the command, but CPU, I mean your Linux, will communicate with PID. I mean it knows only about PID, it doesn't know anything about command. Then next, coming to user, who is the user running that process ID or dot process. This is the priority of that process. Nice and again priority are both are same, I can say, I mean almost identical. This is virtual memory used by that particular process. If you see, my record my desktop is using 190 MB of my virtual memory, nothing but RAM and swap, and this is residence memory, shared memory, and the status of the process. See, there are most of them are sleeping, only some particular things are running, right? And here you can see even Z also, G, nothing but Zombiac process. Here it's not showing any Zombiac process, so you will not find that G. And coming to this one, it is percentage of CPU utilization and percentage memory, how much memory it's using, and what is the present command you are running for that one. So suppose I want to filter out I mean in a manner, I mean I want to keep PIDs in a numerical manner. Just press capital R to bring them in a one by one, I mean numbering wise. Again you can press capital R to bring them back. What about I want to sort it by users, or I want to see only particular user processes, then you can just press small u, then type whatever user you want. I want to see only process related to Surendra. Just enter Surendra and just press enter. It will show you only Surendra related information. I want to see again once all, so I can just press U, then just enter. It will show, it will give you all the users processes. This is PR and nice are as I said, it's related to giving priority. I want to give priority to this pulse audio, so I want to set as -11, nothing but I am giving less priority to the processes. I can give press R for renazing the command. Then what is the process ID? I can give the process ID 1591. So what is the nice value you want to give? I want to give -11. Just see how to change that one. It's change it to -11. This virtual memory, as we discussed, we can't change anything up to memory, but you can sort it out according to CPU, nothing but you can press capital P to sort it according to CPU, capital M to sort it according to memory, nothing but this field. And this is the idle time of the process. Actually it's not running from particular time. You can say Dropbox is not running from past 11 minutes. I mean it's not actively running, it's actually running in background, you can say. And this is the command to execute that particular process. So what about like I want to see where the command is executing. Actually I want to see my genome terminal or some other what is the exact command. So I can just press C to see what is the command, say If you see this one, it's giving entire path of that particular command. I don't want to see command path, I can just give again, see, it will give back your command information. How about like you did some modifications, like I don't want to see my CPUs, so you press T for avoiding. What about I want to save this configuration into top command, then you can just press W to write that one, it will be saved. And what about like I want to kill a process, press K, and it will show you what is the process you want to kill. I want to kill Dropbox process 1628, then just press enter, it will kill the process. What is the signal you want to give? There are total 15 signals, 1 to 15. You can directly give a 15th signal, nothing but kill. So it actually killed that. You will not see that process once again, right? There's a way to kill the process. So what about quitting the top command? You can use Control C or you can use Q to quit. So if you see, this is actually quitted from top interface. This is all about top command. Stay tuned to linuxnix.com YouTube channel for more updates. Keep visiting linuxnix.com for more Linux related stuff, Linux related admin stuff, and other activities related to Linux. Thanks for viewing the video.